welcome back to my channel. This is a little bit different because of course I'm in lockdown. I hope you are too. I hope you're home and you're safe. I can't do too many travel videos, which might be a blessing in disguise because now it's given me the time to focus on all the food recipes that I wanted to do. I've been wanting to do this for so long and I've finally gotten down to it, so I'm really pleased. So this recipe is really special to me. It's a dish that I absolutely love. I have beautiful childhood memories growing up and eating this, and who am I kidding? I still eat it now, eat it all the time. It's actually not my recipe, it's my sister. She very generously showed me how to do it because I really think she makes it the best. It is a Parsi dish. We love it. You know how much I love eggs. It is called a Parsi Akuri. Well, it's actually called an Akuri, but Parsi style scrambled eggs. I hope you like it. And if you do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Enjoy the recipe.
For this recipe, you're going to need green chilies, garlic, tomatoes, some coriander and onions, all the ingredients finely chopped. You're going to need some turmeric, red chili powder, a little bit of salt, some sambar powder. If you don't have it, you can skip that, cumin and coriander powder. In a separate bowl, crack all your eggs. For this recipe, we've used 8 eggs. Do not beat or whisk them, just crack them and leave it as is. In your pan, heat some oil and add in your chopped onions. Give it a cook for about a minute or so till they change color. After that, you can add in your chilies and garlic and continue cooking for another minute. Now you can add your ginger garlic paste. Make sure you cook it well for about a minute or so that the paste isn't raw. After that, you can add in your chopped tomatoes. Once the tomatoes have cooked for a bit, you can start adding in your powdered spices from haldi, red chili, sambar. If you don't have sambar, you can skip that, cumin, coriander and a little bit of salt. Mix it all together so it cooks well. At this stage, you can start sprinkling a little bit of water at a time, not too much, just so that the masala paste doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and that you can cook all the onions, tomatoes and all the powders easily. With the back of your spoon, just try to gently mash down this mixture. It doesn't need to be completely mashed, but a little bit with the back of the spoon will help give it a smoother texture. Once this mixture has cooked for about 4 minutes or so, you can start adding in your cut coriander. A lot of people like to leave some to garnish at the end. You could do that if you like. We just add all of it at this stage. Now that this whole masala mixture has been cooking for at least 7 to 8 minutes, this is the tricky part where you start adding in your eggs. Gently add all your eggs one at a time, but whilst you add them, make sure that you keep stirring the mixture. And it's very important to remember that this entire process has to be done on a very low flame. The eggs cook quite quickly and you don't want to overcook them. If you overcook the eggs, it's no longer an akuri, it's going to be an egg bhurji and we don't want that. So we just gently keep stirring. At times you could lift it off the flame and then put it back down on the flame. It helps just to give a little bit of coolness so that the eggs don't cook too fast. You keep stirring and you're almost done till you get a nice runny, like a thick but slightly runny mixture. And at this point, your akuri is done. Make sure to turn off the flame immediately because the pan is still hot, so even whilst you're serving this, the eggs tend to continue cooking. You could serve this as a straight, it's nice eaten straight off the pan. Ideally eaten with some hot chapati or nice buttered toast, but you can eat it however you like on its own. And that's pretty much it. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment and like this video. I'll see you guys soon.